Tonight I'm a fallen leaf.
Hello, my beautiful fans. Hello. Hello, fanatic Glamorous yo. I hope everyone is having a great Tuesday. Today I decided to record this little short video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy.
I would take a fall. I would take the blame. I would see it through, even through the pain. To see it all fall apart is more than I can say. I know this much is true. There's nothing I can do. I can't stop losing you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you. Fanatique moi yo, pas oublier partager vidéo, pas oublier abonner. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
No matter where I turn. Now I'm feeling through your fingers, I'm seeing through your eyes. Don't know how long this will linger, but I'll try to figure out. I would take a fall, I would take a blame. I would see it through, even through the pain. To see it all fall apart is more than I can take. I know this much is true. There's nothing I can do. I can't stop losing you. I can't stop losing you. I can try if you let me. Without lies, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. about you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before, and now I'm afraid of the person I'm pretending to be. But I'm more afraid to tell you I'm less than you see. And I know when I let go right now, I'm gonna turn you against me. 'Cause baby,
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Mwah.